In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tabs in Google Chrome, a handy feature that can help you streamline your browsing experience and keep your tabs organized. If you're someone who often juggles multiple tabs for work, school, or personal use, then tab grouping might be just the tool you need to add efficiency and clarity to your web navigation. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by looking at your open tabs in Google Chrome. Now, if you see a few tabs that you'd like to group together for easier management, the process is really simple. All you need to do is right-click on any of the tabs you want to group. A small menu will appear offering a number of options. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Add Tab to New Group. This step sets the foundation for your new tab group. Once you've done that, a small pop-up window allows you to customize your newly created group. Here, you'll have an option to enter a name for your group. This step isn't mandatory, but it's certainly a good idea if you want to manage your tabs based on activities, projects, or themes. Naming the group can provide an at-a-glance indication of what the group contains, which can be very helpful when you're switching between tasks. Next, you'll have the option to assign your group a color. Pick a color by clicking on one of the choices provided. This adds a splash of color to your browser, making it even easier to distinguish your groups. By selecting different colors for different tab groups, you'll visually identify and switch between task sets with just a glance. This simple yet effective feature adds a layer of personalization to your browsing experience. Now that you've got a named and color-coded group started, it's time to add more tabs to it. If you want to include more tabs in this group that you've just created, navigate to another open tab. Right-click on the desired tab, go to Add Tab to Group, and then select the name of the group you want to add it to. It's that straightforward. This flexibility makes managing multiple tabs a breeze. You can add as many tabs as you like, tailoring your grouping based on your workflow or any criteria you see fit. Grouped tabs can easily be expanded or collapsed as needed, meaning you can tidy up your tab bar without closing any pages, helping maintain a clean browsing environment. And that's it! You've successfully grouped tabs in Google Chrome. By following these steps, you can keep your digital workspace organized, efficient, and visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you navigate Google Chrome more effectively.